the look of your surfaces with Hydropalat WE3229. Hydropalat WE3229, our unique low-foaming wetting agent for high-speed applications. A surface is much more than just its first impression. It has hidden qualities that shape its appearance. Industrial coated surfaces are not different. Their look is highly impacted by additives like wetting agents and surface modifiers. They can enhance aesthetics as they provide excellent substrate wetting and outstanding surface leveling. Hydropalat WE3229 is our unique low-foaming and very efficient silicone-based wetting agent. Contact angle measurement provides distinct insights into interfacial properties of surfactants. Hydropalat WE3229 effectively reduces surface tension and thereby improves the wetting of substrates. This leads to enhanced leveling and perfectly coated substrates even during high-speed applications. It is also a highly effective anti-cratering additive. It prevents and eliminates surface defects. Surface defects, such as craters, may appear when formulations or substrates are contaminated. Thereby, Hydropalat WE3229 improves the robustness of your formulations. Because of its low viscosity and excellent compatibility, it can be easily added at any stage of the manufacturing process. Due to its low foaming properties, your manufacturing process can be more efficient. Your benefits: excellent wetting in high-speed applications, splendid surfaces, low foaming, and simplified manufacturing process. Power up the look of your surfaces with Hydropalat WE3229. Please find more information about our portfolio in BASF's Lab Assistant. BASF Performance and Formulation Additives, powering up your formulations.
BASF. We create chemistry.